Hello everyone, welcome back to Travel with Cubs. Today we are taking our little adventurers to the heart of the community at the annual Barnes Park Family Fun Day in Sunderland. This fantastic event is brought to you by the Youth Almighty Project and proudly funded by the Sunderland City Council West Area Committee. Let's dive in and explore all the fun together. Barnes Park is a favourite spot for families and kids in Sunderland. As the largest urban park in the city, it stretches nearly 2 miles and boasts a Victorian-style bandstand and a historic cannon near the West End bowling greens, which were once dredged from the River Wear. Throughout the year, the park hosts numerous events and activities, making it a vibrant hub for the community. Barnes Park offers a fantastic day out for the whole family, with scenic walks, fun play areas, well-kept bowling greens, tennis courts and a cozy cafe. There's something for everyone to enjoy. In the parking area, the 3 emergency services, police, ambulance and fire, have their vehicles stationed for families and kids to hop on board and explore. Our Cubs were particularly excited about police van and had a great time pretending to be coppers. This year, the Barnes Park Family Fun Day is hosted by the Youth Almighty Project. We wanted to highlight the significance of the Youth Almighty Project in addressing the needs of children and young people. By providing a safe place to go and engaging activities, they help keep kids off the street and positively involved in the community. Sunderland Training and Education Farm set up a bustling stall that drew in many families. They offered a hands-on experience for kids to touch and interact with the animals. Our Cubs Hammad and Amna were thrilled to participate. Hammad had the chance to hold a rabbit in his lap, while Amna bravely petted and even held a snake. African drummers created a lively atmosphere, inviting kids to join in the drumming fun. Meanwhile, Aram was nearby, impressing other kids with his football skills. This engaging experience not only provided fun, but also enriched the families and children with a taste of cultural values through the universal language of music. Decorating a plant pot turned out to be another favorite activity for our cubs. Liana was particularly excited about this craft as she got to keep the pot she personally decorated. There were activities specifically designed to test hand-eye coordination, which our cubs thoroughly enjoyed. These games provided both fun and a chance to develop important skills. Our cubs were excited to try out the quad bikes, eager to get a feel for the ride. Later they had a blast jumping around on the bouncy castle with other kids, enjoying every moment of fun. All our cubs tried their hand at the free archery activity, which proved to be quite popular among the attendees. As the family fun day and its organised activities wound down, we decided to treat our cubs to the paid rides. They were super excited to try all of them, although height restrictions meant that some rides were off their limits. We had a fantastic time here at the Barnes Park Family Fun Day. We'd like to extend our gratitude to organisers, Sunderland City Council and all the charities involved in putting together this wonderful event. We are eager to experience more events in the future. For more adventures around the world, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Travel with Cubs, hit the notification bell to stay updated and like and share our videos. Goodbye for now, and we'll see you on our next adventure.